Hello, my beloved viewers. Good morning. It's a beautiful day here in Chiang Mai. Welcome to my channel, Friends Fresh Start in Chiang Mai. Right now, I'm kind of out of breath. You have no idea where I am. I'll tell you. I just arrived to a place called Loha Prasat Mueang. Okay, what that means is it's known as the Wat Phra. That Mueang is a remarkable temple. It's a temple located in Ban Pong, Hangdong District, Chiang Mai, Thailand. This temple is notable for being the first Loha Prasat and metal castle constructed in the Lana architectural style, distinguished by its pristine white structure adorned with golden spires. Let me show you what I'm seeing right now. I'm the entrance here. This is the steep, very, very steep here. We are now entering the entrance of the temple. Situated atop a hill, the temple offers visitors breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding jungle, mountains, and lush greenery, making it an ideal spot for reflection and photography. All right, let me show you inside. This, I think that this spot has just went step up. Look at the view. The view is just amazing. I can't ignore how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. This is the beauty of northern Thailand in Chiang Mai. Very, very different from the southern part of Chiang Mai. Well, not that I'm discriminating the southern part of Thailand. I'm sure it's also extremely beautiful over there. Actually, towards the end of this month or the beginning of February, I plan to visit the southern part of Thailand so I can give you some diversion. Oh my God, look how beautiful it is. This morning, as I woke up and reflected on my journey, I had a realization that it's been nearly 8 months since I made the bold decision to move to Chiang Mai. Time really does fly when you're living life to the fullest. Every single day here has been an adventure filled with growth, joy, and unforgettable moments. Looking back, I've experienced so much that has enriched my life, from exploring the vibrant markets and serene gardens to embracing new hobbies and meeting incredible people along the way. I've discovered a passion for pickleball, which keeps me active and connected with others. I'm also diving into the challenge of learning the Thai language. It's not easy, but it's so rewarding to communicate more deeply with the locals. Latin dancing has brought so much rhythm and fun into my life, and it's been amazing to make new friends every day, each with their own unique story. Through it all, I've realized that this chapter of my life is all about more than just my personal journey. It's about helping others who, like me, are navigating a retirement or a fresh start. Whether it's through sharing advice, offering encouragement, or simply showing what's possible. I want to be a source of inspiration and support for people looking to embrace change and rediscover themselves. I feel so blessed that this vlog has given me the opportunity to connect with you all, my viewers, and to leave a legacy for my children and maybe even my grandchildren one day. Through these videos, I hope to share not just my adventures, but also the lessons, joys, and even challenges of this journey. And this is just the beginning. My dream is to explore even more of what life has to offer, not just here in Thailand, but across the globe. I want to immerse myself in new cultures, meet fascinating people, and learn from their ways of life. Each experience is a new story to tell, and I'm excited to share them with you all. So stick with me, because the sky truly is the limit. Together, we'll explore how life as a retiree can be dynamic, adventurous, and deeply fulfilling. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey. I can't wait to show you what's next. Hello.
Hi.
So Lamia, I'm so happy to share this trip with you today.
Yeah, me too.
Can you please share with our viewers where you come from and how long have you been in Chiang Mai, and what is your impression so far?
Yeah, so I'm from Morocco, but I live in France. I've been in Thailand for nearly 1 month now, but Chiang Mai only, it's my second day actually. So I'm really happy to be here. This place is amazing. It's so peaceful away from the city. I love it so much. The weather is really nice today, so we get really nice view, as I'm sure Fran has already showed you. And I can't wait to go inside.
Right, we're gonna go inside. Yeah. So you mentioned earlier that you came from the southern part of Thailand.
Yeah.
What is the difference between your impression from the southern part to the northern part?
Yeah, in the southern parts I've been mostly in the islands and in Bangkok. It's really touristy, a lot of tourists. Here it sounds a bit, there are tourists here, but it's more reasonable, I think. Okay. The culture is also very different. Here we speak a lot about Lana culture. The food is a bit different here than in the south. I don't know, it's just a different vibe here, and I love it so much.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm so happy that you're here to join with me and my viewers. It's beautiful Lana culture and Lana temple. So let's go inside and see what's in there for us.
Let's go.
Okay, guys. I've just arrived to the second destination of today, and too many notifications coming up on the screen. So I've just arrived to a place called Suan Meow Cat Garden. Why is it called Suan Meow Cat Garden? It's because it's a serene sanctuary located in Mueang, Chiang Mai, Thailand, dedicated to providing a harmonious environment for 62 rescued stray cats. Visitors are invited to interact with the cats, enjoy a cup of tea or coffee, and unwind in the tranquil garden setting. So let me show you what I'm seeing right now. This is the entrance to the cat garden. For those seeking an extended stay, Suan Meow offers a unique accommodation experience in a stunning bamboo treehouse nestled within the cat garden. The garden is situated at 161 Mu Tu Ban Nong Yen, Thung Pi, Mueang, Chiang Mai, Thailand. I can tell you to get here was quite an adventure because it's like I'm driving inside the jungle, and the roads were pretty with a lot of grounds. It wasn't like an asphalt road, and it's definitely made of bamboo. Take a look. It's a tree house. Wow, with a bamboo gate. We should take a photo here. A bamboo gate and a wall. Look where I am. Oh, definitely I'm inside a jungle.
The window can talk with Judy.
Okay.
What you want? Emergency or set?
It's like a zoo here. I can smell the cat. My nose is already getting itchy. Where are the cats?
Where the cat?
Meow meow.
They're napping. There's one over there.
Cat is everywhere. Everywhere.
Right side hand. I think you can see more. Cat. The house.
They're sleeping.
Yeah, sleep.
They're wearing pajamas. So cute.
Yeah, can close.
I can see that there are cat houses everywhere. This is cat heaven. If you're a cat, you should come here. And you give food to the cat. Everyone eats.
We have a two time for the milk.
I see. Hello, Mr. Cat. What is your name? Hello.
This house is a little bit slow today. Yeah, these are two bad cats here. These are quality something from us. Yeah, for fun. Thank you. So you be a little bit.
So cute.
Welcome din kayo.
Thank you. Oh, so cute.
This is a welcome drink for you.
Thank you. Thank you. Kapungka. Cheers, everyone.
Warm, yeah, okay.
Oh. Hmm? Why is this cat in the cage? He's sick?
He's sick. He has a kidney problem.
Oh, so you have a doctor as well in the.
In this, we don't, but we have the nursing room.
You have a nursing room
Yeah,
that takes care of sick
in-
cats.
Just for us to take care by ourselves. But in this case, we have to go to the doctor.
I
To
see.
the clinic.
Is there a vet nearby?
There's a few clinic nearby around 15 minutes, 20 minute drive, and a small animal hospital, San Patong, 30-minute drive.
So why did you create this place for cats? Because you love cat?
I've been helping stray animals since I'm younger.
Oh, really?
Start from dog first, helping the stray dog in Bangkok. I work in advertising.
Right.
I do it when I have like a hobby.
So
Like a hobby, helping animal.
I see.
Later on, I start helping stray cat from 2011. Yeah. At one point.
So this is your place?
Yes.
Oh, really?
Thank you.
And what is your name?
Judy.
Judy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss Judy. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Korea, Seoul, Korea, but I've been traveling all my life. 안녕하세요. So people come here and they donate and in order to take care of the cats.
Yeah, it's entry fee. The entry fee and the Airbnb. All the income for
the
taking
cat,
care of the
so-
cat and for
So-
taking them to the hospital also. And also
So people come here to drink coffee and you can have lunch as well?
yeah,
order
can
food?
have lunch and order food. Yeah.
Okay.
All this income are for
Yeah.
we have the cat that we rescue here 56, but we still have a few more in Bangkok. We cannot move here with them because in Bangkok is what they are the cat that have a virus or like HIV or leukemia that cannot mix.
Okay.
So actually this is 56 here and about 20 something in Bangkok.
I see. So you're helping cats not just in Chiang Mai but also from Bangkok.
Yeah, we moved from Bangkok actually. I help cat in Bangkok and the cat moved here 2.5 years ago.
Oh, so this is a new place then.
Yeah,
It's quite a new
pretty
place.
new. Yeah.
Oh,
And we opened for Airbnb for that tree house for 2 years. We have a lot of guests. Yeah, always, almost fully booked every month.
really?
Yeah.
The foreigners? Most of the
Most foreigner and
most of
a
the
few
foreigners.
Thai people also.
I see. And this is a house for the cat?
Yeah, this is a cat house. So we build it so many cats can stay inside, have protection from rain and sun.
Yeah. It's good that you talk with my viewers. I have a channel called Friends Fresh Start in Chiang Mai and viewers from all over the world.
Oh, thank you very
If they're
much.
coming to Chiang Mai, I would like to recommend your place.
Thank you.
Especially if they are cat lovers.
Thank you. Thank you very much for helping us on this. Yeah.
Wow.
It's supporting us. Yeah, we have like many kind people coming to support us. Yeah, from around the world.
I realized that a lot of Thai people they like cats.
I think world citizen.
Yeah,
A lot of
Thai people they love
everywhere. Yeah.
cats because in other countries I see a lot of street cats,
Ah.
but in Thailand they have respect for dogs, cats.
I
One did not like me so much.
It's just scared.
Oh,
The
this
other one,
one.
there are two here. He's
Oh, yeah.
Not to be
She
pet.
is Kawao and Phi Nu Dam. They are like their character is like
Yeah.
this. Because they live with me long time already.
yeah.
There's more cats inside.
Yeah.
The house.
Few here.
Yeah. It's a peekaboo. And that is the nursing room that I told you, the last one, the last room. So if we some cat need to have a special take care. So for example, giving this yeah, yeah,
Because they're sick.
yeah, mostly when the cat getting older, they have problem with the kidney. Kidney a lot.
Then
Mm.
do you need to operate them?
Need to give the saline every day. Give water every day. Saline water.
This cat is fat. He ate a lot. There's a lot of food here. This is heaven for cats.
Nursing cat.
So there are cats in the garden as well?
Yeah.
I
There
see.
are cat in the garden.
Yeah, we want to see the cats in the garden
And tree house also. Today we don't have guests coming to stay.
Mhm.
3 days, so you can also
go upstairs to the tree house.
Yeah, to the tree house and the bathroom for our Airbnb guests. The big bathroom today, no guests. So
How much
you
is
can-
to stay here in an Airbnb?
Right now, this month is 9,000 baht, around 9,000 baht
9,000 baht per night.
per night. Yeah.
And what do you get with this?
Yeah, include breakfast.
Yeah.
And yeah, you stay on this three-story bamboo tree house.
Is it for how many people? This Airbnb?
For Airbnb normally it's for a couple, 2 people.
Uh-huh.
But this house can stay up to around 6 people. But I think from 2 to 4 people is the best. Like for like playing with the cat and yeah, not too crowded.
Okay. All right. So we want.
The 3 dish is the chef will cook 3 different Thai dish. As per your preference. Yeah, if you like chicken or you like beef or pork or spicy, not spicy.
So it's Thai food.
It's Thai food and eat with jasmine rice and have dessert and our organic fruit.
And how
also
much is a lunch
included.
like this?
Yeah, for 3 dish set it's 1,199 baht. Yeah. For this set it's 1,599. Yeah.
But for one person, how much?
For the set, this is the price for the set. Yeah.
For 2 people?
For 2 people, yeah.
For 2 people is how much?
For 3 dish set it's 1,199.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Or you can order like a emergency food. We call emergency food. It's like a single dish, one dish. Maybe a rice or noodle with chicken or pork and with the fruit.
Okay.
included.
And
Yeah.
that's also same price?
A different price.
How
for
much?
the one dish.
Yeah.
It depends on the menu. It's from I think it's from 139 to 249 baht.
Okay.
Okay.
yeah.
We will take that one. Okay.
Emergency.
Emergency, we are hungry.
Okay.
You like need a rice or
You want rice or you want noodle?
Yeah.
It's a Thai food, Thai Chinese.
Can we mix it with rice?
One rice, one noodle.
Yeah, why not?
Hello, kitty. Come here. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's vlog, the temple, the view, and to close today's vlog with a cat garden. And well, that's it folks for today, and I will be going on another trip, hopefully in few days, and I'll let you know where I'll be, and I'll share with you the beautiful scenery. So thank you for watching today. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you in my next episode. Take care, and please comment and share with us your thoughts about today's video. Take care. Bye-bye.